Hi guys, welcome back. Not done a video on Project Oxy for a while, so I thought I'd give you a little tour and update. So after the car being turbocharged for 2 years roughly, Uncle Rodney unfortunately came to give us a visit last week. This signal hose came off the boost control solenoid, basically giving me infinite boost. And instead of letting off and coasting home to fix the issue, I shifted up again and sent it. And then I heard knocking of Rodney, which is never nice. Before the car's driven again, I'll have to secure it properly so it doesn't come off again. I was already planning to build a forged engine to go for more power and reliability, so a rod couldn't bend. And I'd already bought the second engine, which I've got on a stand already broken down. Here's the block, box full of bits. That's the crank. Under a few bottles, they're empty by the way. The cams. Here's the rods and pistons out of the second engine. Once the forged engine is sorted, I'm going to reuse these, hopefully to rebuild the second broken engine. They have the wrist pins that can easily be removed, fortunately. That's the head, fully stripped down, oil pan, valve cover, and the valve train. As you can see, I've already fully cleaned up and labelled everything. This is exhaust valve number 1. Shims, valves, springs, buckets, retainers. All already cleaned and re-oiled, just packaged away for safekeeping. So the engine arrived on a pallet a few months ago. It cost 60 quid plus shipping. It ran, but was very smoky. So I immediately got it up on a stand and began stripping it down. My plan was to fully forge this second engine while still driving it with the original engine, then just swap them over. But Rodney's changed that plan slightly. Threw the head in the dishwasher straight away, started cleaning the head, did a bit of porting too. Nothing too extreme though. And then I started stripping the block. Wasn't in the best condition, lots of carbon build up. But there's no bad scoring on the crank. Valves were disgusting. Made my own lathe to start cleaning the valves with a drill. And that's halfway through cleaning one. And well, basically, this is the space I have to do all this in. So once the engine is fully built, I'll take the broken engine out and put the built engine in. I don't have the space to have 2 engines out and actually do any work, unfortunately. And then I'll rebuild the second engine once the car's running again. And this is my parts list. Most of it will be coming from Boffy. Comes to around 2.5k. I'm aiming to have it finished by Christmas, hopefully. Fingers crossed.